Witness the intense moment when a wolf pack takes down its prey in a lightning-fast hunt, a testament to their cunning and coordination. This complex social behavior is a key factor in their success, with each member of the pack playing a vital role in the hunt. At the heart of this strategy is the alpha pair, the dominant male and female wolves that lead the pack and make crucial decisions about when and where to hunt. The alpha pair's experience and knowledge of the territory are invaluable, allowing them to pinpoint the best locations to find prey, such as deer or elk. These prey animals are often much larger and more powerful than the wolves, so the pack needs to use clever tactics to take them down. One of these tactics is called a drive hunt, where the wolves will chase their prey towards a waiting ambush, often using the terrain to their advantage. This can involve driving the prey towards a narrow valley or a body of water where the wolves can more easily catch and kill it. As the hunt begins, the rest of the pack falls into place, with each wolf taking on a specific role. Some wolves will act as drivers, chasing the prey forward, while others will be blockers, positioning themselves to cut off the prey's escape routes. The drivers will often be the younger, more energetic wolves, while the blockers will be the older, more experienced wolves that can use their knowledge of the terrain to outmaneuver the prey. This coordinated effort allows the wolves to wear down their prey, gradually weakening it until the final kill. The wolves' hunting strategy is also influenced by the time of year and the availability of prey. In the summer months, when prey is more abundant, the wolves will often focus on hunting smaller, more agile animals like rodents or hares. However, in the winter months, when prey is scarce, the wolves will need to target larger, more energy-rich prey like deer or elk. This adaptability is crucial to the pack's survival, as it allows them to make the most of the resources available to them. The social bonds within the pack are also essential to their hunting success. The wolves will often work together to raise their pups, teaching them important skills like hunting and tracking. As the pups grow older, they will begin to participate in hunts, learning from the more experienced wolves and developing their own skills. This social learning is critical, as it allows the pack to pass on knowledge and experience from one generation to the next, ensuring that the pack remains a formidable hunting unit. The wolf pack's ability to communicate with each other is also vital to their hunting strategy. They use a variety of vocalizations, including howls, barks, and whines, to convey information and coordinate their actions. For example, a wolf may use a specific howl to signal to the rest of the pack that it has found prey, or to warn other wolves of potential danger. This complex communication system allows the wolves to work together seamlessly, responding to changing circumstances and adapting their strategy as needed. As we explore the world of wolf packs, it's fascinating to see how their communication skills play out in their hunting strategies. When it comes to taking down prey, wolves are highly efficient and coordinated, often using tactics that have been passed down through generations. One of the most impressive aspects of wolf hunting is their ability to stalk and ambush their prey, using the terrain to their advantage. They'll often use cover such as trees, rocks, or hills to sneak up on their unsuspecting victims, and then burst into a high-speed chase, wearing them down with their relentless pursuit. This strategy is often referred to as the relay hunt, where different wolves take turns chasing the prey, allowing the others to rest and recover. This way, the pack can maintain a high level of intensity over a long period, eventually tiring out the prey and making it easier to catch. It's a remarkable display of teamwork and endurance, and a testament to the wolves' exceptional physical conditioning. But what's even more interesting is the way wolves use their senses to track and locate their prey. They have an incredible sense of smell, which allows them to detect the scent of their quarry from great distances, and their hearing is so acute that they can pick up the slightest sounds, like the rustling of leaves or the snapping of twigs. As they close in on their prey, wolves will often use a technique called flanking, where they spread out and surround the prey, cutting off any potential escape routes. This is where their communication skills come into play, as they use a series of barks, yips, and body language to coordinate their movements and ensure a successful hunt. It's an intricate dance, with each wolf playing a vital role in the overall strategy. The alpha pair will often take the lead, using their experience and cunning to outmaneuver the prey, while the younger wolves provide the speed and agility to chase it down. But hunting is not just about catching prey, it's also about survival, and wolves have evolved a range of adaptations to ensure they get the most out of their kills. For example, they have specialized teeth and jaws that allow them to crush bone and tear flesh with ease, and their digestive system is designed to extract as many nutrients as possible from their food. They're also highly efficient at sharing their kills, with the alpha pair often taking the largest share, but also making sure that the rest of the pack gets a fair portion. This social bonding is crucial to the pack's dynamics, as it reinforces the hierarchy and strengthens the relationships between the wolves. As we delve deeper into the world of wolf packs, it's clear that their hunting strategies are just one aspect of their complex social behavior. From the way they communicate and coordinate their actions, to the way they adapt to their environment and respond to changing circumstances, wolves are truly one of the most fascinating creatures in the animal kingdom. And as we continue to explore their behavior, we'll see that there's even more to their social dynamics than meets the eye, from the way they raise their young to the way they resolve conflicts within the pack. When it comes to raising their young, wolf packs are incredibly dedicated and communal, with all members of the pack playing a role in caring for the pups, from feeding to protecting them. This communal approach not only helps to ensure the survival of the pups, but also strengthens the bonds within the pack. The alpha female typically gives birth to a litter of pups, and then the entire pack pitches in to help care for them. This includes feeding, grooming, and even teaching the pups important skills like hunting and social behavior. As the pups grow and develop, they begin to learn the intricacies of pack dynamics, including how to establish and maintain social hierarchies, and how to communicate effectively with other members of the pack. One of the most interesting aspects of wolf pack behavior is the way they resolve conflicts within the pack. Conflicts can arise over a variety of issues, including food, territory, and social status. But wolves have developed a range of strategies for resolving these conflicts in a way that minimizes violence and promotes pack cohesion. For example, wolves will often use body language and vocalizations to signal aggression or submission, allowing them to negotiate and resolve conflicts without resorting to physical violence. In addition, wolves have been observed using a range of calming behaviors, such as licking and nuzzling, to help calm down other pack members and reduce tension. When it comes to hunting, wolf packs are highly coordinated and effective, using a range of strategies to catch their prey, from chasing down individual animals to ambushing and surrounding larger groups. One of the key factors in the success of wolf pack hunting is their ability to communicate and work together. Wolves use a range of vocalizations, including howls, barks, and whines, to communicate with each other during hunts, allowing them to coordinate their actions and respond to changing circumstances. They also use body language and scent markings to communicate and navigate their territory. This complex system of communication allows wolves to hunt effectively and efficiently, making them one of the top predators in their ecosystems. Wolves are also highly adaptable, and their hunting strategies can vary depending on the environment and the availability of prey. In some cases, wolves will specialize in hunting specific types of prey, such as deer or elk, while in other cases they may be more opportunistic, feeding on whatever is available. This adaptability is key to the success of wolf packs, allowing them to thrive in a wide range of environments and ecosystems, from the Arctic tundra to forests and grasslands. As we continue to explore the behavior and ecology of wolf packs, it becomes clear that these animals are not just fascinating creatures, but also play a critical role in maintaining the balance and diversity of their ecosystems. The way they hunt and interact with their environment has a significant impact on the populations of other species, and their loss could have far-reaching consequences for the health and stability of entire ecosystems. So, let's dive deeper into the hunting strategies of wolf packs and explore how they work together to bring down their prey. One of the most impressive things about wolves is their ability to communicate with each other, using a variety of vocalizations, body language, and even scent markings to coordinate their attacks. When a pack is on the hunt, they'll often split into different roles, with some wolves acting as scouts, others as drivers, and a few as ambushers. The scouts will track the prey, usually large ungulates like deer or elk, and report back to the rest of the pack. The drivers will then chase the prey towards the ambushers, who lie in wait, often in a hidden location like a gully or thicket. This coordinated attack allows the wolves to exploit the weaknesses of their prey and take down animals that would be impossible for a single wolf to catch. As we explore the world of wolf packs, it's also important to consider the impact of human activity on their behavior and ecology. Habitat loss and fragmentation, for example, can make it difficult for wolves to find suitable denning sites or to migrate to new areas in search of food. This can lead to conflicts between wolves and humans, as wolves may begin to encroach on agricultural land or even urban areas in search of prey. Similarly, the introduction of human-subsidized prey, like deer fed by hunters, can disrupt the natural balance of the ecosystem and lead to an overabundance of prey species. This can have cascading effects throughout the ecosystem as other predators and scavengers begin to exploit the new food source. Despite these challenges, wolf packs remain a fascinating and important part of their ecosystems. By studying their behavior and working to conserve and protect their habitats, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the complex social dynamics and hunting strategies of these incredible animals. And as we learn more about the importance of wolves in maintaining healthy ecosystems, we can begin to develop more effective conservation strategies and work to mitigate the impacts of human activity on wolf populations. So, if you're interested in learning more about the fascinating world of wolves, be sure to check out our next video, where we'll be exploring the complex relationships between wolves and other predators, like bears and mountain lions. We'll take a closer look at how these species interact and how they compete for resources in the wild. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of wolf packs, and we'll see you in the next video.